Prabhuji.
Any other questions?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam, always Prabhupada and Vaishnavas. Prabhuji, in this time period, why the demonic things is increasing in the all over the world?
Tell me.
Prabhu, he is saying that why the demoniac activities, demoniac people, everything demoniac is increasing, especially at this time. So why is it happening now?
Because people who are in the demonic state are usually governed by the principle of the mode of passion. So this material world, passionate mode is highly increased. Everything about anything is done in a passionate way. Because of the increase of mode of passion, so the demonic qualities are also increasing on everybody day by day. That's why the whole world is becoming so messed up. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So to combat this, we need to preach very strongly about how to come to the mode of pure goodness. And that way they will also become purified and develop saintly qualities. So by chanting Hare Krishna is one of the important, what we say, method in to uplift everybody. Yes?
Yes, definitely.
So the next question, how to treat family members when they are non-devotees? Do we need to be kind to them and tolerate all their harsh words, or can we raise our voice against them? Our whole idea is to tolerate. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us to be tolerant. Tanadapi sunichena, taruapi sahisuna, amanina madanena, kirtaniya sadahari. So at the same time, although we are tolerant, we should also try to educate them and save them. You understand? They may be harsh because they do not know facts. So how to help them? Because family members, if we try to preach to them, they will be very antagonistic. So the best way to deal with them is that you get some other devotees to come and help to talk to them. Because if some neutral party devotee come, then they will be more submissive to hear. That is the general tendency. So if we want to actually help them, then we should preach to them. And to preach to them, we should solicit the help of other devotees who are, of course, favorable to Krishna consciousness and to our movement, a regular devotee, to come and talk to them. And if that fails, then what to do? Simply we have to pray to Krishna to give them good intelligence. Yes? Hello?
Thank you, Prabhuji.
So of course we should never stop, huh? We can't go and kill them, can we? Huh?
No.
So we have to tolerate. Okay, any other questions? Ajay, Akshay?
If anyone has any more questions, they can kindly unmute themselves and you can ask your question now. Anyone with any more questions can please ask the questions now.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Pranam, Jai Shri Prabhupada.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji, please go ahead.
Prabhuji, today I want to know why people are more interested into Brahma concept of Bhagwan rather than knowing him as person. Like everyone says like Nirakar, Brahma, Nirakar. Why they don't want to accept the fact that Krishna is also a personality. He is also a supreme personality. Why they don't do like this?
Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, think I came out, huh? Share screen again. How to go back?
Share screen.
So Krishna says here, in this verse you see,
Vishwajit Prabhu, your camera is on.
see, out of many thousands of men, one may endeavor for perfection, and of those who achieve perfection, hardly one knows me in truth. So there will be a lot of people who are in that category, you know, who are interested in this impersonalism. But again, Krishna says there will be hardly, very few will become devotees. Okay? Bahunam janmanam ante jnanam mam prapadyante vasudevam sarvamiti sahamatma sudurlabha. See, very rare. So to become a devotee is not a cheap thing, you know. A devotee's position is very exalted and is not very, what to say, easily achievable. Because there's such a thing as a very rare situation. That's why there are so few. Krishna says, Muktanam api siddhanam narayana parayana sudurlabha prasantatma koti swapi mahamune. You want to read?
Yes, Prabhu. O great sage, among many millions who are liberated and perfect in knowledge of liberation, one may be a devotee of Lord Narayan or Krishna. Such devotees who are fully peaceful are extremely rare.
See that?
Yes.
So to become a devotee of Krishna is not some cheap thing, no? It says you must have done heaps and heaps of pious activities. Otherwise, it is not possible to take up this process. Yesham tantagata papam jananam punyakarmanam te dvanda moha nirmukta bhajante mam tavataha. See this? Can you read?
After many births of executing pious activities, when one is completely freed from all contaminations and from all illusionary dualities, one becomes engaged in the transcendental loving service of the Lord.
So it is not such a thing that anybody and everybody, you know, she requires a lot of piety. Shooting pious activities, free from all contamination of sinful life, free from all doubts, then yes, they can become devotees. That's why in India, so many people are all this Niraka, what is, no? Nirakar, no? Yes. Yes. Many people, actually practically all of them believe that God is ultimately formless. Correct?
Yes, Prabhu.
So therefore we have to speak, we have to preach to them. If everything is Nirakar, why Krishna showed his Akar form to Arjuna? Yes?
Yes, Prabhu.
You should ask them like that. What form did he show to Arjuna? The Nirakar form or the Akar form? What? Hello?
Right. Yes, Prabhu.
Which form did he show? What form did he show?
The Akar form, Prabhu.
Personal form, Prabhu.
Correct. You see here what the Lord is saying?
But Prabhuji, those people say that Nirakar form of God has entered the body of Krishna, and Krishna was not the supreme personality of Godhead. They reply like this.
Who said that?
Anybody who is the believer of that God is, Nirakar Brahma and not the, he has not the
Okay.
Sakar body.
Okay. Can Krishna speak? Huh?
Krishna can, but they
No,
don't
I'm
believe.
asking the question. You say Krishna inside something, correct? Now let us ask Krishna whether something has gone into his body or not. Can we ask him?
Yes, Prabhuji.
And what Krishna is saying here? Can you read?
Yes, Prabhuji. Unintelligent men who do not know me perfectly think that I, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, was impersonal before and have now assumed this personality. Due to their small knowledge, they do not know my higher nature, which is imperishable and supreme.
Huh?
Yes, Prabhuji.
He says here, they are called what? Huh? What are they called?
Unintelligent men.
So you want to accept this unintelligent man's authority?
Not at all, Prabhuji.
So you must learn how to show them these verses. So who
Yes,
is correct? If you want to speak or Krishna want to speak? Krishna doesn't know his body. You know better than Krishna his body? Huh? What? Hello?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So you must counter the argument. Correct?
Yes.
So unless you know, then you can speak. If you don't know, then how you can speak? Yes or not?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Huh? They'll speak nonsense and you'll say yes, yes, yes. Then how are you going to counter that? You can see here. Although I'm unborn and my transcendental body never deteriorates. Huh? Right? I still appear in every million, my original transcendental form. Is there something inside Krishna's body?
Not at
Hello?
all, Prabhuji.
So you must explain these things. This is the problem. The problem is that we do not know how to counter the argument. Correct?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So then you become bewildered. Yes or not?
Yes.
So you should ask them this question. How is it that you say that something inside Krishna body? When Krishna says my body is spiritual, my body never deteriorates. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Correct. He says the difference between our body and his body. You see, many births you and I have passed. I can remember all of them, but you cannot. Oh, subdue anyway. There's a difference. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
And you see here, he is always Navayavanam. What is Navayavanam?
Always youth.
Always youthful. Are you always youthful?
No, Prabhuji.
Appearing always as a fresh youth. So please try to understand. You cannot speak these things because you don't know. A person who knows the Nirakar form, actually he actually says in the Ishopanishad, he goes in the darkness region of, where? See this? Can you read this?
Yes, Prabhuji. Those who are engaged in the worship of demigods enter into the darkest region of ignorance, and still more so do the worshippers of the impersonal absolute.
Huh? So a person who say God is Nirakar and all that, where they go? Huh?
Region of ignorance.
Correct. In fact, Lord Brahma is saying here that they go to hell. The Nirakar bodies. Huh? Sira, can you read? Please.
This present form or any transcendental form expended by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, is equally auspicious for all the universes, since you have manifested this eternal personal form upon whom your devotees meditate. I offer my respectful obeisances unto you. Those who are destined to be dispatched to the path of hell neglect your personal form because of speculating on the material topics.
So where they go?
Hell.
So you want to follow them?
No, Prabhuji.
This is the word of Lord Brahma. So we should be very expert in talking to them. That's why we should learn. Correct?
Yes, Prabhuji.
If they say that ultimately it's impersonal, then why when Arjuna asked to show the topmost form, what form did Krishna show him? Krishna, he showed
Sakar form.
Can you read?
Sanjay said to Dhritarashtra, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, having spoken thus to Arjuna, displayed his real four-armed form and at last showed his two-armed form, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna.
He could have at last showed Arjuna what? The Nirakar form, right?
Two-armed form.
I mean, if the Nirakar form is ultimate, he could have shown him the Nirakar form, correct?
Yes, Prabhuji.
How to love the Nirakar form? Can you do any service to the Nirakar form?
No.
So how to offer Krishna some fruit, flower, leaf, water, all? How? Can. So bhakti can only work with the akar, not the nirakar. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So you must try to understand the true position of Krishna. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Lord Brahma, when he saw Krishna, then he shook hand with Krishna, the topmost form. It is says in the Bhagavatam. Correct?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So you know now?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So please try to understand all these arguments. They have no grounds, because they don't want to surrender. They say all this kind of nonsense, what we say, propositions, which has no base. Correct?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Anything else?
Prabhu, Vishwajit Prabhu is asking a question, follow-up question. Is the universal form or the Virat Roop of Krishna Nirakar or Sakar?
Virat is a form. How can it be Nirakar?
Because Prabhuji, we see the length of the Virat Roop is infinite.
Arjuna saw millions of sun, millions of head, millions of hands. This is all Nirakar? Huh? Tell me.
No,
Hello?
Prabhuji, yes, Prabhuji, according to this, we say the Sakar, but Prabhuji, we know the length of the Krishna is infinite, that Arjuna says.
Yes, but it still has got millions of head and tail, no? Okay? Haven't?
Yeah.
So, can it be
This is Sakar.
Nirakar? Can
No,
it be
no, this is
Nirakar?
Sakar.
So therefore, what is Virat Purusha is Nirakar? It doesn't make any sense. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Any other questions?
Prabhuji, due to your instruction, I start preaching. So, Prabhuji, when I start preaching, the most of the karmis are available. I meet with most of the karmis. So, Prabhuji, how we do preaching to karmis, or how we are to associate with karmis?
Best way to preach to them is to give Prabhupada books. Understand?
Yes, Prabhuji, I do these things, but karmis are not. I start reading the Prabhupada books.
Never mind, you just distribute the books. Understand? If they read even one line, their life will change. Understand, Anand? Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. It may not necessarily, that he give him a book and tomorrow he comes. He may come later or he may not come. His friend may come. So many things are there, Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji. So, Prabhuji, one more thing is I want to ask to you, Prabhuji. We are doing Krishna consciousness, and we are coming touch to the karmis. So, Prabhuji, how to save ourselves from karmis?
The best way to save ourselves is to preach to them. So as long as you preach Krishna consciousness, then nothing will happen to you. But if you go with them and take their association, then you're asking for trouble.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Understand?
Understand, Prabhuji, I understand.
So you cannot associate with them freely, You jeopardize your consciousness. Anything else? Any other person?
So we had one more Prabhu asking the question.
Who?
Prabhu, I don't know. He just raised his voice 5 minutes
Hare Krishna
early.
Prabhu, the third from all
Yes,
Prabhu. Yes, so I had a question in the one of the purport, Prabhu. So
Yeah.
you written that Jay and Vijay are different from Sisupala. So how can we understand this statement, Prabhu?
Jay and Vijay, what?
It's written that Jay and Vijay are not same as Sisupala. So Sisupala, who got the Sayujya Mukti. So, but Jay and Vijay were associates of Lord. So
Yeah,
how we can understand?
you see, that explained by the Acharya there, that not all the time the Jay and Vijay is falling down, You understand?
Yeah, Prabhu. Yeah, Prabhu.
So this Jay and Vijay who were entered in the body of the Lord, this is not that Jay and Vijay. This one is some real demon. They're explained by Vishwanath Chakravarti and they're talking, two of them. Correct? In the purport,
Yes,
so the one who enters in the body is actually a demon, it says. But the Jay and Vijay, they go back to the spiritual world, because they are only supposed to be killed 3 times, you see. And also, it's not that all the time Jay and Vijay are falling down, This doesn't make sense, You understand? That happened at an isolated thing. You follow?
Right, Prabhu. Yes.
So you read the purport again properly, huh?
Yeah, Prabhu, sure.
Any other questions?
If anyone has any more questions, they can kindly ask now before we end this session.
All right. So thank you all very much for your kind time and association.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you very much for your time.
I hope you did learn something today.
Yes, Prabhu. Thank you very much.
So we thank Vishwambar for hosting the show and Akshaya Krishna for.
We are actually very grateful for educating us, enlightening us every week. So we are learning a lot. Yeah, strengthening our spiritual consciousness and spiritual life. Yeah. So
Any
therefore, yeah.
ask any new people what their opinion?
Yes, Prabhuji, I am new.
Kirti Tyagi, huh? Where are you from?
I am from Noida, Uttar Pradesh.
Noida.
Mm.
Ji,
That is
Prabhuji.
this in
near
Delhi.
Yes.
Yeah,
Delhi?
yeah.
Oh, so you are.
Very near to Vishwanath Prabhu's place.
Oh, so how you like the program?
I will attend regularly this program, Prabhuji. Thank you so much. I
Hmm.
liked it very much.
So
Learned a
you
lot of things.
you give your number to Pavitra, huh? Pavitra is there? Prem Chaitanya?
Yes, she is not there now in the class, but I can inform her.
So you please give your number on the chat, huh?
Okay, Prabhuji.
You write down your number and name, and then they will forward to Pavitra, who will definitely contact you. Or even Akshay Prabhu is there in Delhi. You also can coordinate.
Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you.
You please write down your number. Anyone else who's new here today?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes. Shashidhar Rai.
Yes, Prabhuji, I am also new.
Where are you from? Which part of India?
I am from Delhi. Actually, I am from Varanasi, but now I am in medical college, so I am in Delhi.
So Akshay, you can contact him.
Yes, Prabhu, I can.
You can take his number, huh?
Prabhu, you can drop the number in the chat box and I'll be able to see. Hare Krishna.
How Shashidhar, you like the class?
Yes, Prabhuji, it was very knowledgeful and very interesting, and I'm already devotee of Krishna, so I always attract in these things.
Very nice. Are you chanting Hare Krishna?
Ji Prabhuji, since 10 years, last 10
10
years.
years. 10 years. Oh, very good. So you please try to contact Akshay, huh? Akshay?
Yes, Prabhu. Yes.
Very nice. Please be nice to hear from you again and again.
Ji Prabhuji.
Thanks. Who is this Neha Priyadarshini? You've been here before?
Yeah.
Oh, she's been before. Divya Shivaram. Huh? She read.
Yes,
Is this-
Prabhuji, I am new to this group. This is my first session.
So where are you from?
I'm from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh.
Oh, you're Telugu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Oh, very good. So Palika is here. Palika,
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
can you take a number down? Huh?
Sure, Prabhu, sure.
Can you write your number in the chat, please? Huh?
Sure, Prabhuji. I'm already in the group which Pavitra Devi Dasi is organizing.
Oh, so okay, you're in there already. So that's good then.
Okay.
Anyone else is new here? Nobody else, huh? Okay, then I guess I have to pay my obeisance to all of you again and again for inspiring me to serve Srila Prabhupada. Thank you again. Hare Krishna, all glories to all of you, all glories to Prabhupada. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Prabhu. All glories to Srila Prabhu.
Thank you very much, Vishwambar Prabhu. Thank you, Akshay Krishna Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you for all your kind blessings, Prabhu. All glories to Srila Prabhupada.
Anantakoti Vaishnavin ki jai, Prabhupada.
Jai Tirupati Maharaj.
Jai Shri Prabhupada.